Keeping up with the grams. Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell in the corner. Why? Because hitting that subscribe button just isn't enough. You need to be notified each and every time a new video is posted. Anyhow, today I'm in the kitchen. So if I'm in the kitchen, I think you guys know what's going on. Cooking. I gotta be cooking if I'm in this kitchen. I mean, that's what I do. That's what I love to do, cook. So I'm in the kitchen and I'm gonna cook. What am I gonna cook? That's the question. So, looks as if I have some pineapples here. A little bit of green peppers. Tomato. Bell and what do you think this is? My favorite, avocado. You don't need this for what I'm about to prepare, but if you're me and if you love avocados, then you will definitely bring avocados to this dish. Moving right along, on tonight's menu I'm making chicken pineapple bowls. Chicken pineapple bowls. Just the thought of it, it just has me like, I'm just excited. So we're gonna jump right into this video. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and cut up all of my vegetables, prepare every ingredient so that you guys know what you need if you decide to make this dish at home. So let's get ready. Alrighty, so I'm about to cut up the vegetables. Get these nice and cut up so that part is out of the way. Get up, get up. I really have been going through tomatoes lately like crazy, and there was one point in time when we wasted tomatoes, and I don't even know how. I think we just weren't eating fast enough because I love tomatoes. So, but it's like every dish I've been preparing lately has been tomato this, tomato that. Let's just eat a bowl of tomatoes, which is a good thing. I know that there's some people who like really can't stand tomatoes. Sad, I should say. Because they're amazing. So I know you're like, really, do I really have to watch her cut these vegetables? We all know, you know, how to cut a vegetable, or two, or three, and maybe even faster than I do. Honestly, you guys know I'm not the best at cutting, but hey, I get the job done. You're probably looking like, well, why is she holding that green pepper like that while she's cutting it? Well, listen here. This is the way that I cut my green pepper, and pray that I don't cut my fingers off. That'll be tragic. Okay, so I'm putting the chicken in the pan. Letting that go ahead and cook a little bit. So when you guys watch the videos, if you have any questions about like the recipes, or there's a recipe that you guys really want to see me cook, then definitely comment that below. I'll get right on it. Any other questions, definitely go ahead, drop those in the comments below, because I want to know what you guys want to know, what you guys want to see. Like, throw it out there, let me know. So just as you guys were, you know, probably wondering, well, she shouldn't be cutting that like that, let me tell you, Wham! Vegetables are done. And guess who did it? And I survived. And I know you're probably wondering, well, what's going on with the chicken? Well, guess what? The chicken is almost done. Chicken and the rice at the same time. Hey, same time. Oops. Okay guys, so at this time I like to put the green peppers in to cook a little bit with the chicken, so it also adds more flavor. And just let them cook. It doesn't have to be that much, but it's basically, this part is it's up to you. So however you want your green peppers, if you want them to still have a little crunch when you don't cook them that long. I like them to still have a little bit of a crunch, so I don't let them stay in here too long. So I have my baby getting all this stuff, pineapple, out for our bowls. So juicy. Okay guys, so I am about to stuff our bowls now. Put in the rice. It just smells so freaking good. Put some rice in each bowl. Oh, so precious. And make sure you leave some of the pineapple juice in here because it just soaks up your rice so good and it just makes it so flavorful. I know I'm all about flavor, so yes, 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 yes. And then the chicken right here. Into each bowl. Green pepper. I really hope when you guys try this recipe, you love it as much as we do. So, put some onion. Yeah, me too. Of course, you gotta get you some tomatoes. Okay, and I get tomatoes and I just sprinkle a few tomatoes on top. And you have to top it with your fresh pineapples because what's a pineapple bowl with no pineapple? Did you feel me? Voila, that's it. So completed those pineapple bowls and they are looking amazing, and hopefully you guys try this recipe. Thank you for watching. What's